Hey everyone, in my previous video we went over some symbols and we actually went over the square root symbol. So now we're going to go over properties of radicals, and radicals are when we have square roots. So let's look at the product property. The product property says when we have the square root of a times b, it really means the same thing as the square root of a times the square root of b. Okay, so if we have the example, the square root of 2 times 3, then we know that equals the same thing as the square root of 2 times the square root of 3. Okay, we're actually not going to go over solving square roots. We'll do that in the next lesson, but I just need you to understand right now what the product property says. And it basically says under the square root, when you have two numbers being multiplied by each other, you can actually put its own square root on each, and it means the exact same thing. Now let's look at the quotient property. In the quotient property, we have the square root of a over b, because a fraction means quotient, which means division, right? And that can be broken up to each value to have its own square roots. So it means the same thing as the square root of a over the square root of b, where the rule is b cannot equal 0. And we also learned this in my symbol lesson in the previous lesson, right? So if we're looking at the square root of 2 over 3, we should know that we can break this up as the square root of 2 over the square root of 3. And again, I'm not gonna go over how to solve this, but we'll see that in our next lesson. Your girl Lala saying, arriba la vida, subscribe. Knowledge makes you cool. Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Lala, your future math teacher. You need math tutoring services, either for yourself, son, daughter, somebody? Hit me up, I got you.